So today we'll be discussing about agency top nav buttons. On the platform down below in the navigation bar you can find for app marketplace. Here you can search for top nav. Here it is. You have to install it first. You can choose a sub account on which you want to install. It will be giving you the options. You can choose multiple sub accounts as well. Moving forward to the next step, you will be heading towards the leveler marketplace to get it configured. Let me show you how to do that. Here we are on the leveler marketplace now. Let's just search for top nav. Here it is. Open the app. So now the first step will be moving forward towards to get it configured. To do so, you have to copy the script, and down below you will be finding the settings in the navigation bar. Open that. Here we are in the settings, and you can find for the company in the navigation bar. You have to paste that script and update the company now. And now you will be finding for agency top nav buttons back on the leveler marketplace. We are back. The next step will be moving forward towards just to create nav button. You can name the button you want. You can enter the URL you want to redirect yourself or any of your sub account, and also the button text on that. You can choose the color of the button as well. So let's choose the bright red at the moment. Create. So the basic purpose of agency top nav buttons is to just create a button on the top right here, just aside with the other buttons as well, and it will be creating a shortcut, and you will be saving your time. You can just click on it and you can just redirect to wherever you want just by copy pasting the URL. So now let's just choose any of our sub account and just test is it is working or not. Here we are on the sub account now. Let's just refresh it. As you can see, the button which we have created is showing up here. It is that simpler and easier. Hope you like it. Thank you so much.